Good afternoon and thank you for joining us. The stock market started April with a significant downturn in the three major market averages. But after April 8th, the markets headed north, and by the end of the month, the Nasdaq had gained 2,000 points, the Dow 3,000 points, the S&P 500 600, climbing above the 5,500 level. It was a stunning turnaround for the index that was down 11% in just 8 days. As one market observer noted, April ended perfectly. April was another example of the stock market climbing a wall of worry, and there was plenty to be worried about. Mr. Trump's tariff activities have clearly roiled the stock market. The president's negative comments about Fed Chair Jerome Powell last month only added to the market's unease. Technology stocks were especially hard hit. For example, Nvidia, the AI poster child, was down 15% in just 3 days in April. The tech-heavy Nasdaq ended April down 9.5% for the year. Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, stagnated from the previous month for the first time in nearly a year. First-time filings for unemployment insurance totaled a seasonally adjusted 241,000 for the week ending April 26, up 18,000 from the prior period and higher than the estimate for 225,000. Continuing claims, which run a week behind and provide a broader view of layoff trends, rose 1.9 million, up 83,000 to the highest level since November 13, 2021. Consumer spending is 70% of our country's GDP, and there is growing pessimism among U.S. consumers. Consumer confidence fell to its lowest level since May 2020. The Expectations Index, which captures people's outlook on the economy, is at its lowest level in 13 years. Higher mortgage rates and concern over the broader economy are negatively affecting the housing market. Sales were 2.4% lower in April than in March. When the market is turbulent, we often tell our clients to stay the course. That is another way of saying be like Warren Buffett. Buffett is fond of saying his ideal holding period is forever. Case in point, Mr. Buffett bought Coca-Cola in 1988. If you invested $1,000 in Coca-Cola in 1988, those shares would be worth $36,487 today, a percentage change of 3,534%. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you next month.